Hello friends, welcome to Thriving Up. Today I'm going to unbox a brand new Tribit Xfree Go Bluetooth headset and let's start. This is the headphone, black color headphone, and it's really comfortable. They're telling me long battery life, foldable design and superior sound. So here is the box. This box is really nice. It's a good one. As you can see, it's black color one, oval shape. So let's zip off this pack. Here is the wireless headphone user manual. You can see this type C charging cable. This is aux cable, and as you can see, this is a flexible one. Here also it can be flexible, and this side also it can rotate. And this is a head adjustment, as I have already told you. So, and this one, the cushion is really good quality also, and overall its look is quite good, and it seems to be like a premium quality one. You can hear this headphone through connecting with Bluetooth as well as through connecting through the aux cable to the 3.5mm jack of your phone or any device. So this is the unboxing of this device. So hello guys, this is that headphone, and you can see it's looking very big, but it's quite comfortable. Its cushion is also really good quality and very soft, and it is fitting to my head very comfortably. And you are hearing this audio with this headphone only. So you just comment in the comment section below that how is the quality of this audio. This is the quick unboxing of this Tribit Xfree Go headphone. And so that's it for today. Please subscribe to Thriving Up YouTube channel, like this video if you really like this, and share this video also. So today signing up. Take care. Bye bye.